What's up, everyone? I just wanted to give you my top 3 tips and tricks to succeed with your concepts of S&C practical, okay? I think it gets way blown out of proportion in terms of what it actually is. At the end of the day, if you put a little bit of preparation in and then you respect how much you already know, you'll be golden, okay? So number 1, list out, like actually physically write it out. Don't just type it, like write it out. The hand-eye coordination of that helps, okay? List out what exercises you plan to do for each of the major categories. So the functional fitness, okay, upper or lower, both of those are their own category because you have to be prepared for either, right? You have to make sure that you're aware of the 6 families of plyometrics. So watch that video, okay, and what you plan to do for each of them, okay, and then what you plan to do for your progressions and regressions, okay, as well as your 6 cues, positional and safety, right? Your rationale behind your exercise choice, right? Tell them why they're doing it and then how they're going to do it. Obviously, you're also going to show them the 3 repetitions, okay? And make sure you know your muscle groups to share as well, okay? If you can write out those things, that's gonna help you a ton. Now with the deadlift, it's showing the power position with the dowel and then showing the deadlift, right? So it's a little more simplified and you're not making it harder or easier, it just is. And then with the flexibility, it's the same case. You are gonna pick one of those muscle groups out of the cup. So still a great idea to write down a muscle group and an exercise or a dynamic warm-up for each of those things. Also hand write out what a dynamic warm-up means in your terminology. Don't forget that piece of it, okay? That's really critical. So if you can do that, it's gonna make a big difference in your ability to feel comfortable to come in because you've already written yourself a script, if you will, to follow. But that leads me into the next one. We want you to be authentic, okay? I don't want you to be Heath. I don't want you to be me. Okay, I want you to be you. So when you come in to speak to us and coach us, we want to see you be you. Okay, we want to see you speaking in your own terms, but putting some respect on the science too. Okay, you should be comfortable sharing muscle names and joints and different things like that, exercise names. Okay, but just be sure that you are you. All right, that's the most important thing. Okay, and then be in the moment and be present with us. Okay, you'd be surprised how many people come in and are just in a rush to get it over with, okay? Be in the moment, like enjoy it with us. It's a chance for us to get to see all the hard work you've put in for the last 4 years in AES kind of come together and really see what you've been doing in your internships and how you've been learning to coach people and interact with people. It's a really special day for us as your professors, okay? We wanna see you succeed and do well. So be in the moment and be present with us and try not to make assumptions about your athletes, okay? 8 knee surgeries later and 3 babies, I've got a lot going on with this, okay? So when you coach me, there are things that I'm not trying to purposely mess up and do, which we're supposed to do to trick you a little bit, to have you correct our form. Just keep that in mind, that we might not be purposely doing it. We might actually be doing it and need your help coaching us. And I've had some really cool corrections over the years from students that have helped me rethink what I should do with my own stuff in the weight room, all right? So don't make assumptions about it. Be present with us. Be authentic, have fun, stutter. I stutter all the time. Just keep going with the flow. We will prompt you and help you along, okay? We want you to succeed and we want to see you show off all the great things that you already know, okay? But at the very least, list out, script out all of these things and it's gonna help you be super prepared to do well.